Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off narrator or screen reader on Forza Horizon 5. So first of all, you want to open up your settings here and you want to be on campaign option. After that you will see settings here, so you want to go ahead and click on it. Now once you are here on settings, you want to choose accessibility and you will see a lot of options here. You want to go ahead and scroll a little bit until you will see here screen reader. Here it is. So you want to go ahead and either leave it on system default, but if you would leave it on system default, it may also work. So you want to go ahead and turn it off. It would be the last option. After you have clicked off, you want to go ahead and save it. Click space or just click on save. And that's it. It now has been turned off. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.